Hello students, I am Anju Mathur from Raval Convent School. Today I am going to explain you reported speech. Direct speech. In the English language, there are two ways of conveying what someone else has said. Direct, that is quoted speech, and indirect, that is reported speech. Direct speech. What is it? Direct or quoted speech involves quoting the exact words uttered by the person within inverted commas or quotation marks. Annie said, I will be coming home tonight. Indirect speech. Indirect or reported speech, on the other hand, does not have to be within quotes or reported word to word. In fact, unless one is relaying the exact words spoken, one should never use quotation marks. She said that she would be coming home that night. To use reported speech. When we use reported speech, we are usually talking about the past. Therefore, verbs usually change to past tense in reported speech. Tense change in indirect speech. Present simple tense change into past simple. Present continuous tense into past continuous. Present perfect tense into past perfect. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. Past simple into past perfect. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. Future simple will into would. Future continuous will be into would be. Future perfect will have into would have. Changes in time and adverb in indirect speech. Today becomes that day or the same day. Tomorrow, the next day or the following day. Yesterday, the day before or the previous day. Next week, month or year. The following week, month or year. Last week or month or year. The previous week or month or year. Now or just, then, ago, before, here, there, this, that. Indirect speech of exclamatory sentences. Sentences which express state of joy or sorrow or wonder is called exclamatory sentence. For example, hooray, we won the match. Alas, I failed the test. Wow, what a nice shirt it is. To change such sentences, the word exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with sorrow or exclaimed with wonder is added in the reported verb, depending upon the nature of the exclamatory sentence in indirect speech. Direct speech, he said, hooray, I won a prize. In direct speech, he exclaimed with joy that he had won a prize. She said, alas, I failed in exam. She exclaimed with sorrow that she failed in the exam. John said, wow, what a nice shirt it is. John exclaimed with wonder that it was a nice shirt. Indirect speech of imperative sentence. A sentence which expresses command, request, advice, or suggestion is called imperative sentence. For example, open the door. Please help me. Learn your lesson. Sentences into indirect speech, the word ordered or requested or advised or suggested or forbade or not to do is added to reporting verb, depending upon nature of imperative sentence in reported speech. He said to me, please help me. He requested me to help him. She said to him, you should work hard for exam. She suggested him to work hard for exam. They said to him, do not tell a lie. They said to him not to tell a lie. He said, open the door. He ordered to open the door. The teacher said to the students, do not waste time. The teacher advised the students not to waste time. Indirect speech for interrogative or question sentence. For changing interrogative sentence into indirect speech, we have to observe the nature of question and then change it into indirect speech according to its rules for indirect speech. A question can be of two types. One type which can be answered in only yes or no, and other type which needs a little bit explanation for its answer and cannot be answered in only yes or no. For example, they said to me, Did you go to school? They asked me if I had gone to school. Hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.